Hello everyone, welcome to Nestor the Investor. My name's Nestor and I'm here to help you get started on your trading and investing journey utilizing technical analysis plus an array of other information that you can use to help you benefit and profit in the markets. Now the first thing you'll need is a platform in which you can look up charts and apply your technical analysis to those charts to understand what is happening with your asset. I personally like to use TradingView.com. TradingView.com is one of the most popular platforms that both new and experienced investors and traders use to apply their technical analysis. To go on TradingView, open up your preferred web browser and type in www.tradingview.com in the search field found here. Once you've done that, you will be presented with this homepage in which you will see the option to sign in if you've already created an account with TradingView, or to start a free trial by clicking the button found here. Once you've selected to begin a free trial, you will be presented with this page that displays all of the packages that TradingView.com has to offer. In this video, we will focus on starting out with TradingView's free-to-use account by selecting the basic package found here on the left side of your screen. After you've selected the Start Now selection, you'll be redirected to the sign up page. In the sign up page, you will have the option to sign up by linking TradingView to your Google account, Facebook profile, Twitter account, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn, or you can sign up by selecting the email option found right here. For our example, we will choose the email option found in this area here. Now, I've already created an account with TradingView. So for this example, you will type in your desired username here, the email account that you'd like to link your TradingView account with right here. Your password goes in this area here. And lastly, you will need to check the boxes after you've read and agreed to the terms of use as well as privacy and cookies policy, plus the option to opt out from receiving marketing emails. You are now looking at the price chart. This chart tells us a story as to how our asset is performing over a certain period of time. Right now, we're looking at the 1 hour time period, in which each candlestick represents 1 hour on the time scale, which is plotted along the x-axis or horizontal axis, and moves either up or down depending on the price action, which is plotted along the y-axis or vertical axis found here. There are many options to choose from within this interface. We're going to start by breaking down each section found on the screen, beginning from left to right, top to bottom. Here on our left, we have our charting tools, which we can use to draw trend lines, apply Fibonacci tools, geometric shapes, annotation tools, patterns, prediction and measuring tools, and so on. Also, if you ever feel that your chart may have gotten a little messy and would like to start over, I personally do this by selecting the Remove Drawings tool found here. And if you click on the arrow right next to it, it provides you with several options. Here on the top left is the symbol search field. This is where we go and look up our asset via its ticker symbol right here within the search field. Right now, we are looking at the ticker symbol ATOM, which is a cryptocurrency ticker symbol for a project named Cosmos. Just below the search field, we have the option to look up our asset within the market that it trades in. It is best to know which market you're trading in and look up your symbol after selecting which market it can be found in. In our example, you'll see that the All section has been chosen. To the left, you have the ticker symbol, and in some cases, like ours here, it'll also display the currency or asset that this asset is being traded for. For stocks, the name of the company can be found here in the middle. And to the right, you have the asset class in shaded gray, the exchange in which this asset is being traded in, and the nation that the asset trades in, or, for cryptocurrency purposes, This area is reserved for the currency exchange that the asset is being traded in, such as Kraken or Coinbase, for example. For this video, we are going to select the crypto market icon here and look at the chart for the Atom USD pairing on the Coinbase exchange. This field is where we can find and choose our time interval that we'd like to have be displayed on the charts. There is also a drop-down menu which shows the vast selection of time intervals to choose from. Down at the bottom right of this drop-down menu, the user has the option to create their own time range by selecting the value found here on the left, the unit of time right here in the middle, and then click the Add button found here on the right. In this video, we will be looking at this chart in the 1 hour time interval. This is where we can choose our charting style. Right now, we are looking at your standard candlestick chart. There are various other styles, such as one of the most popular ones, the line chart, which can be found right here. And right beside that, we have the compare field. This field allows you to see the price action of another asset relative to the current asset that you are doing your technical analysis on. Simply click within the search field, begin typing the first letter of your ticker symbol that you'll be using as a comparison alongside your other asset. Select the market for this asset class, then finish typing out the ticker symbol and select your asset once you've found it, or scroll down until you find the correct one that you are looking for and then select your asset. I will be selecting ADA or Cardano, which trades on the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. Once you've done that, the price action will be placed alongside your primary asset that we first looked up in the beginning. Here, we are seeing the ADA USD pairing in the line chart style. I'll go further into detail on how to utilize this feature in another video. Next, we have the indicator field, in which you can find any indicator that you'd like to apply to your chart. The financials field, which is used for fundamental metrics for stocks. The templates field, which has a pre-packaged variety of indicators that are used in combination with one another to form a template. Next, we have the alert field, which allows you to set up alerts which you can receive on your mobile device or your computer to have you be notified as to when your asset has met the conditions you have chosen. The bar replay tool allows you to replay any moment in time on your chart. Next, we have the undo and redo buttons to go back and forth in the case that you make a change and wish to fix it or view it as it was previously, or to even toggle back and forth between your changes. This button allows you to select your chart layouts, which I admittedly have never used, but could come in handy as an option for you in the future. This field is where you will be managing your chart layout. Your chart's name can be found here in this section. You can save any recent changes done on your chart by clicking the field here. Next to this, the drop-down menu will display several options, such as turning the autosave feature on or off, the option to save your work immediately. You can share your chart with anyone, and this will allow them to view or copy this chart. You may choose to rename your chart, make a duplicate copy of your chart, create a brand new plain chart, or load up another one of your saved charts. Right next to that, we have our chart settings, in which we will go into further detail in another video. And just next to the chart settings icon, we have the expansion icon, which will allow you to enter into the full screen mode. Once you are in full screen mode, you can press the escape button to exit back into normal view. The camera icon allows you to take a screenshot of your chart and provides you with the ability to copy and share your URL link, save the image into your storage drive, Or perhaps you'd even like to share this chart in a tweet. In future videos, I will be demonstrating how I interact with each one of these fields for a better look at a real-life application of these tools that we have at our disposal. As we navigate our way down, you will notice this field that will allow you to view by specified range of time on your chart. You can choose anywhere from a one-day chart to an all-time chart. You can even choose to go to a specific date by clicking the button right here. In this field, you can choose your time zone. Right next to that is where you can toggle between looking at the change in price or percentage scale, logarithmic scale, or linear scale. And lastly, you may choose whether or not to automatically scale the price action along with the chart. And finally, on the right-hand side, you have your watch list icon, where you can see a watch list of the assets you are following. The alerts icon, to view or edit your alerts. The news icon, to stay up to date with the latest news relating to your asset or the market you're currently trading in, and so on. I won't get into any of the other icons for now, but so far, the information found in this video should be able to get you started. Once again, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please make sure to press the like button if you've enjoyed today's video so that the YouTube algorithm can make my videos trend and be viewed by others who might also enjoy this content. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Share this video. Comment with any questions you may have. Let me know what other kind of video you'd like for me to make down in the comments section below. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my videos as soon as I upload them. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you for tuning in to Nestor the Investor. I am Nestor, and I will catch you all next time.